Air power is not defined by fleet size alone, but by what each aircraft is built to do. This video covers every aircraft currently in service with Egypt. First up, the fighters, Egypt's frontline combat aircraft. F-16 Fighting Falcon, Egypt's primary multi-role fighter and the largest fleet in its inventory. Introduced in the 1980s, over 200 remain in service across multiple blocks. Built for air defense and strike missions, it forms the operational backbone of Egypt's tactical air power. Dassault Rafale, Egypt's most advanced Western fighter. Acquired from France with over 50 aircraft delivered, it provides precision strike, air superiority, and long-range capability. Equipped with modern avionics and advanced weapons, it significantly expands Egypt's deep strike and deterrence capabilities. MiG-29M, Russia's modernized Fulcrum variant in Egyptian service. Around 40-plus aircraft were delivered, featuring upgraded radar, extended range, and multi-role capability. Designed for both air combat and ground attack, it complements Western aircraft while diversifying Egypt's fighter fleet sources. Mirage 2000, a legacy French-built interceptor still active in limited numbers. Originally acquired in the 1980s, it remains capable of air defense missions. Though aging, it continues to provide quick-reaction alert capability within Egypt's layered air defense structure. Alpha Jet, a light attack and advanced trainer aircraft jointly developed by France and Germany. In Egyptian service, it performs both pilot training and light strike roles. Smaller and less complex than frontline fighters, it supports pilot progression and secondary operational tasks. Up next, the surveillance and intelligence platforms. E-2C Hawkeye 2000, a dedicated airborne early warning and control aircraft forming the core of Egypt's aerial surveillance network. Upgraded to Hawkeye 2000 standard, it provides long-range radar coverage, battle management, and coordination of fighter operations across complex airspace environments. Beechcraft 1900, a modified twin-turboprop aircraft used for electronic intelligence and surveillance missions. Operated in specialized configurations, it gathers signals intelligence and supports monitoring operations. Smaller and less visible than larger platforms, it contributes to Egypt's overall intelligence and reconnaissance capabilities. Now transport and strategic airlift. C-130 Hercules, Egypt's primary tactical airlifter and one of the most widely used transport aircraft in its fleet. Operated in multiple variants, it handles troop movement, cargo delivery, and humanitarian missions, with the ability to operate from short and unprepared airstrips across varied environments. Ilyushin Il-76, a heavy strategic airlifter designed for long-range transport of large payloads. Used for moving heavy equipment and bulk cargo, it supports Egypt's ability to project logistics over extended distances, complementing smaller transport aircraft in high-capacity operations. Airbus A220, a modern jet used primarily for government and VIP transport roles. Configured for long-range travel, it provides efficient and reliable movement of senior leadership. While not a military transport in the traditional sense, it supports strategic mobility requirements. Dassault Falcon 20, a light jet used for transport, liaison, and specialized missions. Compact and fast, it enables quick movement between bases and operational areas. Some variants are also adapted for calibration and support roles within Egypt's broader aviation structure. Gulfstream 4, a long-range executive transport aircraft used for high-priority missions. It provides rapid, intercontinental travel capability for senior officials and command personnel. Its speed and range make it a critical asset for strategic communication and mobility. Beechcraft King Air, a versatile twin-turboprop aircraft used for transport, training, and light surveillance duties. Its adaptability allows it to operate in multiple roles, supporting logistics, coordination, and short-range missions across Egypt's air operations network. Now onto the rotary wing fleet. AH-64 Apache, Egypt's primary attack helicopter and a central component of its close air support capability. Equipped with advanced targeting systems and precision-guided weapons, it operates in anti-armor and battlefield support roles, providing direct firepower in coordinated ground operations. CH-47 Chinook, a heavy-lift transport helicopter designed for moving troops, artillery, and equipment. With tandem rotors and high payload capacity, it supports large-scale mobility operations, including rapid deployment and logistical resupply in both military and humanitarian scenarios. Mi-8, a widely used medium transport helicopter family forming the backbone of Egypt's rotary wing mobility. Operated in multiple variants, it performs troop transport, cargo delivery, and utility missions, offering reliability and flexibility across diverse operational environments. Kamov Ka-52, a modern Russian-built attack helicopter introduced into Egyptian service, including naval variants for amphibious operations. Featuring coaxial rotors and advanced avionics, it is designed for reconnaissance, strike missions, and coordinated operations in complex combat environments. Now this is the training fleet. K-8 Karakoram, Egypt's primary jet trainer used for intermediate and advanced pilot training. Jointly developed with China, it prepares pilots for transition into frontline fighters. Equipped with basic combat capability, it also supports light attack roles during secondary operational requirements. L-39 Albatros, a legacy jet trainer still operating within Egypt's training structure. Designed for basic and advanced jet instruction, it introduces pilots to high-speed flight and maneuvering. Though older, it remains a functional platform for pilot development and progression. Grob G-115, a light propeller-driven trainer used for initial flight instruction. It provides fundamental pilot training, including basic handling and flight discipline. Simple, reliable, and cost-effective, it forms the first step in Egypt's structured pilot training pipeline. Embraer EMB-312 Tucano, a turboprop trainer used for basic and intermediate training stages. Designed for efficient pilot development, it bridges the gap between initial training aircraft and jet trainers, preparing pilots for more advanced flight operations. Continuing with Egypt's unmanned systems. Wing-Loom 1, a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle designed for surveillance and strike missions. Capable of carrying guided munitions, it provides continuous battlefield monitoring and precision engagement, extending operational reach without risking onboard crew. CH-4, a Chinese-built combat drone similar in role to larger male UAV platforms. It performs intelligence gathering and strike operations using onboard sensors and guided weapons, supporting both reconnaissance and targeted engagement across extended operational areas. ASN series UAVs, a range of smaller unmanned systems used primarily for reconnaissance and battlefield observation. Designed for short to medium-range missions, they provide real-time intelligence and situational awareness, supporting ground forces and enhancing operational decision-making. Finally, special and government aircraft. Dassault Falcon 7X, a long-range executive jet used for high-priority government transport. Equipped with advanced avionics and intercontinental range, it enables rapid movement of senior leadership, supporting strategic coordination and international engagement missions. Airbus A340-200, a wide-body aircraft configured for presidential and state transport. Designed for long-duration flights, it provides secure and efficient travel for official delegations, supporting Egypt's diplomatic and strategic mobility requirements on a global scale. Gulfstream 3, a medium-range executive aircraft used for government and liaison duties. Though older, it remains operational for transporting personnel and conducting support missions, contributing to flexible movement within regional and international air corridors. Beechcraft King Air, specialized versions of the King Air configured for liaison, calibration, and administrative transport. Compact and adaptable, these aircraft support a range of non-combat roles, ensuring continuous operational connectivity across Egypt's aviation infrastructure.